టీచింగ్ ఛానల్. హే గైస్, ఇవాళ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ టీచింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్లో ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్లో ఉన్న కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆన్సర్స్ చూద్దాం. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్. Learning is an act or process of acquiring knowledge or skill. Learning is a key process in human behavior. All living beings learn. Man is a rational animal. He has got the power of reasoning. This power of reasoning enables him to learn quickly. Learning is the basis of success of life. The miracles of present day civilization are the result of learning. Learning is said to be equivalent to change, modification, development, improvement, and adjustment. In short, we can say that learning is fundamental process of life engaging and affecting all forms of behavior, skills, knowledge, attitudes, personality, motivation, fear, mannerism, etc. Definition of learning. Learning is defined as any relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of practice and experience. This definition has three components. Learning is a change in behavior, either better or worse. It is a change that takes place through practice or experience. This change in behavior must be relatively permanent and must last a fairly long time. Characteristics of learning. Learning brings progressive change in behavior. Learning is motivated by adjustment. Learning is universal in nature. Learning is never ending growth. Learning is continuous. Learning is goal directed and purposive. Learning is possible on cognitive, affective, and locomotor side. Learning is process and not a product. So these are the important characteristics of learning. You have to write in exam with point wise denoting the numbers or any symbols. Types of learning. There are different types of learning depending on the way of acquiring knowledge, the number of individuals, the types of activity involved. Depending on the way of acquiring knowledge, there are formal learning. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్కూల్లో మనం ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటాం? విత్ స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ అండ్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ మేనర్లో నేర్చుకుంటాం. అది ఫార్మల్ లెర్నింగ్. ఇన్ఫార్మల్ లెర్నింగ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మదర్ టంగ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్లీ జనరల్గా పుట్టగానే ఎవరైనా నేర్చుకుంటారు. దాన్ని ఎవరు కూర్చోబెట్టి ఇలా పలుకు, ఇలా మాట్లాడు, ఇలా రాయి అని చెప్పవసరం లేదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ఫార్మల్ లెర్నింగ్, నథింగ్ బట్ యాక్సిడెంటల్ లెర్నింగ్. And third, non-formal learning. Example, vocational education, summer camps and night schools, like that. Depending on the number of individuals, there are individual learning. Example, distance learning. Distance learning lo individual ga self ga manaki manam నేర్చుకుంటాం. సో ఎవరి హెల్ప్ ఇందులో అక్కర్లేదు. దట్ ఈస్ ఇండివిజువల్ లెర్నింగ్. Group learning. It is mostly seen in classroom learning. We learn through the group discussions and some other collaborative interactive learning experiences lo jarigede group learning. Depending on the type of activity involved, the examples are motor learning. Example, through walking, running, climbing. These are motor activities through which we learn. Discrimination learning, like హార్న్స్ ఆఫ్ వెహికల్స్. ట్రైన్ యొక్క హార్న్ ఒకలా ఉంటుంది, బస్ యొక్క హార్న్ ఒకలా ఉంటుంది, అంబులెన్స్ యొక్క హార్న్ ఒకలా ఉంటుంది. సో దేర్ ఈస్ డిస్క్రిమినేటింగ్ సౌండ్స్ ఇన్ హార్న్స్ ఆఫ్ వెహికల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ సౌండ్స్ ఆఫ్ బర్డ్స్ అండ్ యానిమల్స్. బర్డ్స్ చిప్స్ అండ్ యానిమల్స్ రోర్, లైక్ దట్. దిస్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, డిస్క్రిమినేషన్ ఇన్ లెర్నింగ్. వెర్బల్ లెర్నింగ్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సింబల్స్, సైన్స్, వర్డ్స్. We denote some words in forms of symbols or signs, like you can say the physical scientific signs like psi, epsilon, omega, like that. Even equal to is denoted is with two lines, parallel lines, plus with cross signs, like that. Attitude learning. It is the attitude differs between parents and the strangers. We deal parents with some attitude, like affection attitude, and the strangers we deal with a stranging attitude. Factors influencing learning. Physical factors. Children suffering from visual, auditory, and other physical defects which are seriously handicapped in developing skills such as reading and spelling. So, some children have some difficulties and disabilities in visual, auditory, and some physically handicapped students. Those are the physical factors which affect the learning. Mental factors. We call these mental factors or also as emotional factors. Through emotions like fear, anger, confidence, sorrow, these all affect the learning. Environmental factors. In the school and also at home, the conditions for learning must be favorable and adequate to the children. ఇంట్లో అయినా సరే, స్కూల్లో అయినా సరే, ఎక్కడైనా సరే లెర్నింగ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఉంటేనే, అది మనకి ఫేవరబుల్గా ఉంటేనే, సో వీ కెన్ లెర్న్ క్విక్లీ అండ్ ఈజీలీ. ఇంటలెక్చువల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఇఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ స్కోర్స్ low marks or low percentage, or if he completely fails, then he thinks I can't do it anymore. So this is also a intellectual factor is also an effect to learning. Finally, the most important, even it is asked in short answers 5 marks question, it is individual factors. They are readiness, motivation, mental health, attention and interest, fatigue, maturation, memory, foods and drugs, capacity. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. I am signing off. Stay tuned to Innovate Teaching channel.